Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2015 Renault Captur, stock number 6517. This ran from the 8th 2014 and 7th 2018. Has an H5F 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is an H5F 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front card, no dents. Left front 17-inch fat alloy mega tyre. Left front door mirror, left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch fat alloy mega tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch fat alloy mega tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard. Right front headlight. Right front 17-inch fat alloy mega tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.